Hello, people. It's your boy M.O.P. Mouth of the People Comedian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What I'm bringing to you is what you usually go to your doctor for consultation. Yes, and one more thing. Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
I be drink where the order. They come me see what they play. But this career is still fresh now. Play another song, but not play put it in. Because even the person who is singer now put in the final. You know, girl. Yeah. Thank you, killer. Before you go play song inside my time. Well, good evening. Sir, good evening. Okay, the way your face be like sales officer. I guess right. Wait on, yeah. Because these days, once I see strong face, I greet them first. I don't go Abuja like that. That's what the man face strong. I don't know the work when they do. As I crack joke, the man not they laugh. I can say, okay, what happen now? Because say your head be like phone when they not post screen guard. I don't know say for her side, the man really they sell bullet where get screen guard. And they show me. I beg people that wear day Lagos, I beg more celebrate on herself. I don't say you know day Lagos. You know day Lagos, no bother. They deceive me, come island, say me I call rent house. I rent house for island. Just last week now, say make I go on my gen. As I reach, I not see my gen. Somebody call advise me, say go front, go report to police. As I reach police station, I shock. Now my gen police station, they wash match. They say, what are you looking for? I say I brought fuel. Pastor K, good evening, sir. Wow, good to see you, sir. Wow. Sir, thank you for coming. You caution all the comedians. Nothing like raw. Especially you're teaching us marriage. We don't know about them for this thing. We just focus on our work. Where does that? So this country don't ruffle. Just yesterday, one man spread. They arrange people gallon for fuel station. Say you people should be on the straight line. Come on, you don't do that. Okay, place your head here. Now so they rearrange people head, including gallon. When you reach the turn where they want sell for land, they don't thief in gallon. They say, okay, where's your gallon? You say, I think I lined it up at the back. The man just did it, they play. As I drive come up for the fuel station, I shock. I see police arrest NEPA. Police say NEPA paper not complete. As NEPA reach police office, they say police have the easy illegal light. This country don't excuse you. See small pikin. Wow. See the pikin, they say I don't want coke. Oh, sorrow. You they choose what you want. Your mama even cover your hair. Wow. Enjoy yourself. Oh. What would they small like this? No, where our mama they carry us go village meeting. Burial. As she they chop the meat, she they throw the bone, go back. Ovie, I say man, say chop that one. See, you're enjoying yourself. Wow. How are you? Yeah, fine. See her voice. You go know where she they stay. Not be all those ones there from my area. 3 children they play. I say, how are you? What do you want to become in future? Now I say, bochodi okay, bochodi. I say, Agbero, where they talk? I ask the second, what do you want to become in future? Now I say, Olorun to bag me 10 naira, Miss Olorun, I go. I say, Agbero. Now the third one make me vex. That one just stand up. Olorun. Emi arigini maja Agbero nukungba Agbero no risha. I say, Abalis. I say, Muna ship go one corner. But when you see children like this, one don't disgrace in Papa for school now. In Papa can't complain, say, I don't know what you people are teaching my children. Especially this boy, he doesn't know mathematics. The boy is shocked. Now the boy say, Daddy, come, before you go further. You say, I don't know mathematics. The papa say, yes. He say, all right, Daddy, this is 4 pop, hold it. Give me 1. How many do you have left? The papa say 3. Say, give me another 1. How many do you have left? The papa say 2. Say, give me another 1. How many do you have left? The papa say 1. Say, give me the last 1. How many do you have left? The papa say 0, Junior. Now Junior laugh. Daddy, your lodo, I gave you 4 pop. I collected the 4 pop. Is it not Roro that will remain in your palm? And the papa say, when am I paying the next school fees? No, this country, where I know say things don't really go up. They say things don't go up. Now comedians will understand this one. They say things don't go up. We have to confirm say things don't really go up. Now when I say short family, you don't have height. And I say yes, things don't really go up. This country don't round up. Yeah, 40 seconds. Wait on, bros. And are you now? Chairman Naimabi. Wow. He said not be you. Person they use your face with that too. Baba, now you not if you tell me. I know you. No work when these bros never do. But they do consultant for thieves. First operation where they go, they catch them. Wait on, bros. Hold on, Jerry. Chairman, which work you dey do? You too fresh. Oh, your guy say you dey use money fresh bath. Wow, that's good. See my chairman. Sir, I greet you, sir. Good evening, sir. Hold on, sir. Okay, that last transfer, what you do, you not go. And my chairman, this man don't do transfer for me, so they transfer me from Lagos to Abuja. Ladies and gentlemen, my time is up. God bless you. My name is Ovie. Thank you.
I told you. I've been no one proud, but now you see that you enjoyed the video. So to make other people enjoy what you just did, remember, I take God in the beg you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.